always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or rather back into my bedroom. I'm not going to show you my bedroom because it's in an utter mess, but today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial which I haven't done in a very long time. So tonight I'm going to go out and I want to do not a full glam face but a semi-glam glowy face. So if you're interested to see how I apply this late summer, early fall look, then please keep watching. So at this point of time, I've primed my face, I've put on my foundation, I've put on my concealer, and I've done my eyebrows. So now I'm going to apply the blush, and this is the NYXHD 24 Electro. And with my Nudes by Nature blush brush, I'm going to apply this now to the high points of my cheek. This is very pigmented. I'm going to have to really work this one in. Just using my my Zoever brush, which is the 106 powder brush by Zoeva. I'm just going to blend this in. And next, with my Real Techniques powder brush, I'm going to use the Sephora bronzing powder. Now I've got to apply this very lightly because this particular product is very pigmented. So I'm going to apply it to the brush and then I'm going to tap it. I'm just going to place it on my forehead or where the sun would naturally kiss your face. So it would be high cheeks, forehead, nose, down the neck. Last Christmas I bought the Zoeva Screen Queen highlighters. Now it comes in 3 shades. It's got the Aloof Beauty, Absolutely Flawless, and the Pearls and Fine Silks, but I'm going to use the Aloof Beauty, and I'm just going to highlight on the top of my cheekbone, on the crown of my nose, and on the top of my forehead, chin, Cupid's bow. Oh, you can really see that pigmentation. I'm just going to get my Sigma powder brush, and I'm just going to quickly and gently just work that in a little bit. Okay, now for the eyes. I'm going to be using my Tarte palette, and I'm going to be using the color Whisper. I don't want my eyelids to be very heavy or dark, so these are going to be very light and fresh colors. For my lips, I'm going to use Matte Velvet Teddy, which is one of my favorite colors. And on the crease, I'm going to use the color Crush, just to do a crease line, and then we'll take it from there. I'm just going to use this Maybelline eyeshadow powder for the corner of my eyes. Just blend it in with the blending brush. I'm going to just redefine my lips with this Christian Dior lip liner in the burgundy. And then with my Christian Dior Noir black eyeliner, I'm going to then do the waterline of my eyelids. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to be putting on my eyelashes, and this is the Aladia Beauty Lashes with the adhesive included. So I'm going to put these on now, and this will be my final look. Well, that's it everybody, that's my final look. This is the semi-glow late summer, early autumn look. So on that note, if you enjoyed watching me do this makeup tutorial here in the confines of my own bedroom, then please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go and get dressed. So thank you again for watching. Bye for now.